Let's take a look and see how Inventor works. Here I've opened the Inventor Basics file, and you see over on the right there's the name of my model. This is a part. There's all sorts of other stuff over here, solid bodies, origin. That lets you know where each individual plane is. Kind of a cool thing. And where the individual axes are and its center point. And then there's a thing called an extrusion, and you can see how it's made. It's made from a sketch of a rectangle, and then it's got some sort of a height. And if I click on this, I can even see what it was. It says, oh, I made the height 5 inches up. I can change all these things on the fly if I want. But that tells me about this object. And a more full, complete, interesting part would have more to it, but this is good to see. Now, if I hold my mouse wheel down, the little hand appears. You can see that little hand appears. And then I can pan my view. I'm not moving the object. I'm just panning the view. And then I can scroll out and in. It goes backwards of AutoCAD, but that's okay. You'll get used to it. And then I can hold the control key down and the wheel and get it to move around. But I usually navigate my views using the navigation cube. And I can do these little rotate bars. I can find the isometric corners. I can look at the front view, find the isometric corners. That's normally how I start to look at different parts. So that's how we navigate. There's all sorts of stuff up here that we'll tell you about later on, but that's how you kind of work in Inventor. There's a part that's made up of extrusions that are made up from sketches in certain planes, and you can start working it from there. So that's how you control your workspace.